Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Viswanathan and Alexander Grischuk. This is a game from Tal Memorial Rapid Chess Tournament played in Moscow in 2018. Viswanathan had white pieces and he started with e4. Alexander Grischuk played c5, the Sicilian defense, knight to f3, knight to c6, bishop to b5, Rossolimo attack, g6. Anand played bishop takes on c6. This is the standard move. How to recapture? With the b pawn or with the d pawn? Grischuk recaptured with the d pawn. In the same tournament against Anand, Dubov recaptured with the b pawn and came second. So, Grischuk played d takes on c6. d3, bishop to g7, h3, preventing bishop to g4, knight to f6, knight to c3. Grischuk castled kingside, bishop to e3, b6, queen to d2, intending bishop to h6, e5, bishop to h6, queen to d6, and Anand castled queenside, a5, g4, a4, king to b1. The king is better placed on b1. Bishop to e6, knight to e2, b5, the pawn storm is coming. Knight to g3, rook from f to d8, bishop takes on g7, king takes on g7, queen to g5, knight to d7, white to move. How would you continue now? Anand played this very cool move, knight to f5, check. Bishop takes on f5, g takes on f5, opening the g file. a3, b3, black queen has a dream to visit b2 square. h6, queen to g3, king to h7, rook from h to g1, queen to f6, h4, g takes on f5, queen to h3, intending to double the rooks on the g file. f4, black is a pawn up, and it looks like that black is doing well. And in this position, Anand found an incredible way to continue. It is even more incredible because this is a blitz game. Rook to g5, queen to e6. If h takes on g5, h takes on g5, and white is winning. Queen to e6, rook to f5, black to move. General rule says that rooks belong to the open file. So Grischuk played a natural move, rook to g8, but this is a blunder. f6 would be a better move, much better move. In this position, Anand made a move and Grischuk was shaking his head in disbelief. Please pause and find that move, the killer move that Anand played. Did you pause? What did you find? Anand played knight to g5, check, forking the king and the queen. H takes on g5. What is the follow-up? The follow-up is rook takes on f7, check. And Grischuk continued to shake his head. Queen takes on f7. H takes on g5, discover check. King to g7, white to move and to checkmate in one. Queen to h6, checkmate. This game sealed the tournament victory for Anand. Unbelievable game. It will be written in the history books. Viswanathan won the Tal Memorial Rapid Chess Tournament 2018. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.